Okay. So first thing is you do some form of exercise. Okay, first thing.
Correct.
Write down again actually. So first thing is you do some form of exercise, maybe running 2 kilometers, okay, maybe some yoga, maybe some meditation, okay. So in the morning you do that. Maybe some stretching, maybe 10 push-ups, okay. So first thing is this. Second thing is you do some form of affirmations, okay. Affirmations in the sense that I am confident, okay, I am alive, okay, I can do anything I want to do, okay, to you know to reprogram your mind, to reprogram your subconscious mind.
Okay.
Okay, third thing is like start reading, you know, some maybe 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 15 minutes you read some books, good books, okay, build it as a habit.
Yes.
Three important tasks that you are going to do today. Maybe those tasks, maybe those kind of the tasks that are scary, okay, that you are procrastinating for long time. Maybe building a 10 words vocabulary in a day, learning 10 words. Okay, maybe you are not doing that thing. Maybe some form of video recording. Okay, that you don't really want to do, that seems scary, that seems hard, so that those you can do in the morning itself. Okay, fifth is like write down whatever thoughts are coming in your mind, thoughts whatever, maybe inspiring, maybe low, maybe some demotivating, some inspirational, whatever the situation is going on, when you put down on when you put down all these things on paper, then your stress goes away, right? It feels that you are telling somebody, you are telling me, right? When you are, when you are feeling some low, or when you are not in a mood, or you are kind of say depressed, when and then you talk to me, after 10-15 minutes of discussion, how do you feel? You feel empowered, right? Those I say something and you accept that, and those demotivating thoughts goes away, right? Same day, same same process you have to follow. Suppose I am not there, what you will do? You write down your thoughts, remove the negative energy and replace with a positive energy. Okay? So like fifth is you write down whatever coming in your mind. Okay, whatever thoughts are coming and replace them. Okay. So six is like do visualization. Anything you do, right? You visualize that. You visualize, you imagine in your mind. Okay, what happens, your mind doesn't make a difference between things are really going into the reality or they are in visualization. Okay, so this is tricking your mind. Okay, do visualization. So suppose that you are going for a public speaking, okay, so do visualize how you are going to appear on the stage, what you are going to say, okay, for how much time you are going to say, what all you are going to say. Okay, maybe you are preparing for some exam, maybe preparing for interview, so visualize how your interview is going to happen. Okay, so that you feel in the same way, and you feel that you are cracking that interview, you feel that you are confident. Okay, so all the time you do that kind of preparation, so things will happen in similar way, not exactly but in similar way. Okay, because your mind is prepared, you are prepared, you know universe is prepared, so you will get that you really want. Okay. Anything else we are missing, Navneet? Anything else?
Commitment.
Yeah, one more thing, like gratitude. Okay, so express gratitude to universe, to God, to everybody. Okay, so whoever is in your lives, so express gratitude for that. Okay, that you are alive today. Okay, that you are living. Okay, so express gratitude for everything. What will happen? You will feel great, you will feel awesome, you will feel, that you are living, really living. Otherwise, what will happen? Even though you have the things, even though you have the real good relationship, but your mind is not accepting, it is taking them as a granted. Okay, and you will want more and more. Give me more, give me more, give me more. You are not actually respecting the things that you already have. So first respect all of the things that you have, all of the relationship that you have, all of, you are learning. Your body is, you have all the parts of your body. Suppose you don't have something, how do you feel? Right? And suppose something is taken away from you tomorrow, then how would you feel? Will you blame? Okay, that's why gratitude is very, very important. So in the morning when you wake up, so express gratitude to the God, to the universe, that you are alive, that you have good relationship, that you are studying, that you have a life that is meaningful. Okay, so build such type of a routine in the morning so that you are well prepared for the day. Okay, you got the point, header, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, or also you can make according to your, according to your choice. But these are really important things. It's not like you only make in the morning. You can build such routine in the evening as well. Okay, whatever suits you. But have something as a habit, have something as a routine, have something as a ritual. Okay, maybe your family is following a good ritual, so you follow that. Okay, so these are the things that are really building blocks of the success: habits, routines, rituals.
Yes, sir. I just have just like that things really helps. I just about I just watched videos of just that course fear, and then really it was helpful. And I also shared my sister. Then she also said that it was really helpful. He doesn't know English, but she also just I talked in Hindi and I just told them it is. Then she said that I also feel good. Thanks for that course, sir. And there are some questions I want to share, sir. How can just as you know what profession in I am, so how can I just move to my profession, because in nowadays I am focusing on my English communication, and also some I am building my Instagram, I am building my just I'm making videos, I'm making content. But nowadays I'm feeling just I'm not doing networking, I'm just I'm not talking to any person particularly, I'm not giving time. So is it good for me or not? So I want to know that.
So you are building your Instagram, right?
Yes, sir, for personal branding.
So what is not happening?
Sir, I'm making videos, and follower is not growing. I'm not say to anything, but follower is still and at a level. It is not increasing, and I'm not before English classes. When I got time, I talk to people who is connected through me Instagram. It means my actual work is doing networking. It is the main work. Doesn't matter he will connect me or not, but my work is networking. And then I'm not just focusing on networking, I'm focusing on my Instagram and making videos and English communication also. And as you said that doing personal growth is so important. Means focusing on our skills, communication skill, personal presentation is presentating. matlab, it means how can you present, how are you presenting yourself. That's very very important. Is it good that I'm not focusing on networking and I'm not talking so much people, and it is good or not? I'm just thinking about that.
No,
I'm just
you keep continuing, okay? You keep continuing talking to people,
yeah.
okay? It's learning means what?
Yes,
Learning
sir.
doesn't
Yeah.
learning doesn't mean you stop one thing and start one thing,
Yes,
okay?
sir.
So on Instagram you continue growing it.
Yeah.
Maybe you more learn about Instagram marketing, how it works, how you can share more things, how you can share the videos. So Instagram has a particular strategy of the marketing, right? How can you bring your post on the top of? So there are now they are starting maybe videos, IGTV, right? There are many things, but to grow Instagram you must learn from someone expert, okay, who is expert in the Instagram marketing. Maybe I'm not the right person, you know to share something about, but I can all say is you continue that, you continue bringing the leads, you continue conversation with the people on Instagram, on Facebook, okay, and in the back end you keep learning English, you keep improving, okay, learn from them as well, learn from your own experiences. It
And
should
sir,
not be you stop your Instagram marketing and then you only learn about personal things, only learn about
mm,
English. No, you continue.
no, sir. I'm not talking about just. I'm just posting my videos on Instagram. I'm posting my post on Instagram regular basis. Sometimes videos miss, but regular basis I'm uh, active on Instagram. But just in the list, whenever person talk to me for anything, just like please share my post on your story, and like that just I started conversation with him. Then I feel that how can I connect people with me. So that's the thing, sir. And that's I just stopping, I just never I didn't talk to people uh, from so 1 week or something like that. So I was thinking that about it.
Okay, okay, Navneet, where were we? So I was just saying that you try to grow your Instagram marketing, okay, grow your followers. There are different strategies you can apply. You can also do some if you want to do paid, so you can also do the paid, marketing on Instagram so that you get followers, that you can DM them and then you can have start conversation. So, but the thing is make some kind of funnel, okay? So the
Funnel.
funnel
Yes,
funnel
sir.
in
I heard about it, but I'm not sure how can I make this thing. So just
okay,
talking.
funnel means how people are coming into your in your world, and then
Yeah.
how you are converting them.
That's something. Just I just trying to make a website. I'm not sure how which type of website it will, but I'm thinking about how can I just connect people with me. What should I put on that website? Something content should be there. So that's why.
But website you can make simple thing, right? You can make a WordPress website. You can have a domain. You can have a server, and then you can
Yeah,
install
just
some.
I took sir blogspot something. I take some blogspot website, but I just started to doing some blogs. I started writing blog, but I feel that it is not good.
So you can have
So
WordPress, okay,
sir,
WordPress website.
yeah,
You can go to my
and
website
sir can
karampal.com, okay, karampal.com
yeah.
slash blog. So you can see that is a simple website, WordPress website. I will modify it soon, okay, but this is I have made without any help of developers or anything.
I said, did you paid for it?
I have paid for for the domain, I have paid for server.
It's around sir 1,000.
Around 4,000 for 6 months.
Oh,
Okay, or for the domain like 800 rupees something for a year.
I see. And sir, sir, I'm just thinking about this. I'm not sure, sir, what content I can put on website, because I just can't put my company's product on my website. That's not good, because you that not allow me.
You
Just
you
I
you put inspirational content in website.
Yeah.
Maybe your story, maybe your learnings, maybe your challenges, maybe your problems, maybe how did you solve them, maybe mindset things. Okay, so that the
Yes.
people get inspired. People don't buy just to see the product. They don't buy, they buy you first.
Yes.
Okay, then the products. So make yourself as a product. Maybe your writing must be good, maybe your thinking must be good, maybe your speaking must be good. So these are really good products. But people don't think that these are products. They only think something tangible is a product. Writing is a good product. Okay, speaking is a good product, thinking is a good product. Even people think that this they are personal development or something. But suppose that you are writing a book, what goes in that? Your writing skills, your thinking skill, your right, and then
I
it
was,
becomes.
sir, I was thinking about, so after 2 or 3 months when I met to you, then I was also thinking about writing a book, but I don't know how can I write.
No problem, we will help you out. Okay, no problem. Okay, maybe soon I will share some such things on writing the book. Okay, maybe for a week, then you can learn those things and then you can start writing.
And I, sir, I also write my just I just Gaurav ji, I very well about him. Just he shared my video. Just why should be clear. Then I there was my dream list. Uh, Hello.
Yes, yes, good.
So there was my dream list, and there was 5 dreams in my dream list. Then I made action plan, not proper action. I couldn't proper action plan, but overview you can say. And then Garaji told me one day, then you should go for the why you want to be, why you want to get those dreams, why you want to fulfill those dreams. Then I started writing my whys, and there was a lot of pages I wrote in the past. And I don't know, sometimes just I feel it's coming my mind, and then I just thinking that can I do those things, because every day you get new thoughts. It's never in a such a way. It never goes a single line, just it's going zigzag line, means that your thoughts, you have already every day new thoughts comes in your mind. Then how can you, just if you are writing on a topic, and then something like this type of feeling, just can I do is there this type of feeling, can I continue those writing, or can it possible that I just gone through from my target. That's why that thing I was thinking in the about writing. I want to write it, but because well,
First, you must clear about your purpose and mission. Okay, drive the dreams from your purpose and mission. Okay, then make plans according to them. They don't change much. Your purpose doesn't change on daily basis.
yeah,
Okay, maybe some here and there in a year or 2 year or 5 year or maybe later on, but have your purpose. Okay, we will discuss about purpose, how to find it, and then build a mission to accomplish that purpose. And then from mission you divide your targets. Maybe in this 6 month I am going to do this, maybe in the 1 year I am going to do that, maybe in the next 2 years. And you will find that your dreams are automatically fulfilling. You don't have to you don't have to just put all pressure, all focus on the dream achieving. No, You just focus on your purpose, on your mission, and then dreams will come automatically. Okay, it's not like one dream you have, you and then you really want to do, and then you find that tomorrow or maybe after 6 months it has changed, right? So yeah, you can write down according to your purpose, according to your mission, you what you accomplish, what you want to accomplish in 6 months or an year, maybe in 10 years or maybe in 25 years. Okay, so dreams will be automatically fulfilled. It's not like maybe something you never have dreamt of, but that is getting fulfilled. Okay, so focus on your purpose. Try to fulfill, try to live your purpose. Rest, everything will be taken care. Okay, so money, dreams, all these are byproducts. They are not the main product. They are not the main reason. Main reason is you solve problem somebody for someone. हाँ ठीक है मैं बोल main thing is not money, not dreams. Main thing is solving a problem. If you are able to solve a problem for one, for two, for hundreds, for thousands, for 1,000 lakhs, then you will have enough money. You will all your dreams will come true. But suppose that you are not solving a problem. You are just focused on dreams. You are just focused on money. Will you able to? No, you will be depressed. Instead of achieving those goals, instead of getting those uh, money and dreams, they will not be fulfilled. So you have to think about what the real thing that brings out all these things. The real thing is pain. Removing the pain from someone's life. Can you think of any product who is not, removing some pain or something it is not giving pleasure or something it is not giving a some kind of status, something it is not, fulfilling a need of a person. Can you think of a product? So whether your product maybe removing the pain, your maybe product maybe fulfilling someone's desires. Do you really think Mercedes is a great class, great car? Yes, it is. Does it remove the pain? No, it doesn't. But it is the status, it is the desire people want to have. Are you getting the point? So your product or your service or your marketing, it should solve some problem. It should fulfill some need. Otherwise, it will not happen. Okay, so focus on problem solving, focus on need fulfilling, focus on some desires fulfilling. Then you will be able to achieve your dreams. Okay, and maybe you are thinking of one or two dreams, but you solve problem of for enough people, you will fulfill your hundreds of the dreams. Dream is what? Can you define what is dream?
Sir, what you want to, sir, what you want to love, what you want to get from your life, that is dream. Uh, what is your desire? That is dream. And
Yes, but
what you want to real feels, that is dream. Feelings, sir, I believe feelings, it is dream.
yes,
Is it?
it is some form of desire, something you don't have. What is dream? Something you don't have. Otherwise, is it a dream? Suppose that you have Mercedes S class or M class or whatever class you want to have. Then at that time, will you say it is your dream?
No, sir.
No, you will say I should have a this thing, my private jet. This is my dream. Now you are thinking Mercedes class is a dream. Okay, so just be don't so obsessed on the dreams. Be obsessed on solving the problem. Okay, so all of your dreams will be fulfilled. But yeah, you must be clear on what you should want to buy or what you should not. All these things are, in your mind, or you see from others. Something you don't, you like, something I don't like. That is personal choice. Okay, maybe you want Mercedes, I don't want Mercedes. My mind doesn't work like that, I want a Mercedes. Right? So but you must clear about, what is dream, why you should achieve it, and what is the outcome you are getting, what things you will learn from this. Okay, so be focused on your purpose. Why do you exist? Okay, what problem you want to solve? That is purpose. Okay, so any other questions, guys?
Yes, sir. Just I was thinking that how can I just means just I am sharing my inspirational thing. I what I feel, what I my thoughts. Just and many people just give me a positive comment. And how can I just change this thing? How can I use this thing to my business? Just I want some clarity about it.
What kind of theme you are talking about?
Just it is about inspirational things. I just chose an inspirational list for my Instagram account. And just I always share my thoughts, inspirational thoughts. And many people give me positive comments. Then I feel good when you share those things. One or two people just uh, said me that I feel good when I read your thoughts. And how I'm not clear then how I will um, use that account for my business. That I'm just thinking.
So with the inspirational thoughts, or you start talking to them. Okay, so start seeing what is their problem.
Yes, sir.
Okay, start seeing what are their inspirations or aspirations, what they want to achieve. So make a plan. Okay, make a plan so that you can help them to achieve their aspirations or remove their pain. Okay, at the back end, how you want to do it, you can do with your company products, right? But first you should build a relationship with them. You know them. Okay, you know them, and they know you. Okay, they trust you. When they will buy something from you, when they will trust you.
So
Okay,
when I will help them. And so,
help help them solve their problems. Okay,
yes, yes.
help them to solve their problems. You become a role model for them. Okay, then they will they will be with you, or they will trust you, or you know they will be in your plans, they will be in your mission.
Sir, the problem is just when I'm just talking to people, then here, hi, hello, where I from, this type of thing. Then I couldn't go in a point just what should I ask or something like that. This type of thing. And when I one time just I did a webinar of just about entrepreneurship. How can you uh, what is entrepreneurship, those things. Then many people just fear of sharing their personal information like mobile number or email address like this thing. So that's a just it is pulling me down. Means I'm not connecting properly because um, just they are only in message only. There's no any video call like that. And people just thinking why they will video call to me.
So what you can do is, first you understand their problem. Okay, and then some people will always do. Okay, some people will always be, there they will not have any conversation with you. Okay, they will try to pull you back as well. Some people will always be there, but you must focus on the people who are really need your service. Okay, really need to solve a problem, or really desire something, really need something. You just focus on them. Maybe out of 100 people you only find 10 people who are really interested. So you do conversation with the people who are interested, and then take them to the next level. Okay, take to them to the next level means that you do some meeting with them, and then you show your products, show your pitch, how can you help them, how they can join you, what is your mission. Okay, and then how can you build the team around that, what is the opportunity you are giving.
Sir, main problem is my I'm focusing on people just just me, and just who have no, just when people come from their colleges, or when they do actually their college, their engineering studies, and I'm just focusing on those people, those students. And at that time, people, anyone don't understand then what is attitude, what is right attitude, what should we achieve their life, what is the spiritual things. And then those things I'm just not giving those. I'm not uh, just can say I'm not having. Hello.
Yes, yes, yes.
Sir, I'm just feeling that how can I say those things to them, spiritual thing, what is attitude, what is, because they are, they don't, they have no any knowledge about it, they have no any such a, no any proper guidance like this, sir. You can understand what I want to say.
Yes, so
Because
what I really understand from your conversation, sir, so maybe you are facing problem, maybe you are facing challenge in the marketing, okay? Maybe identifying the right audience, okay? Building a funnel to convert them, okay? Building the products to sell to them, building the right training for them, right? As you are in network marketing, right? Yes, Navneet, right? That is true. Hello.
hello, can you sir, can you repeat that, because of some network video has paused.
Okay, so what I was saying,
Yes,
you are facing challenge in the marketing in the
yes,
sense,
sir.
the identifying the right audience, okay, who will be your target. No, but no, everybody is not your target. Some specific people will be your target. Then giving them the right
Yes, sir.
message, okay, giving them the right message. According to that message, they will come to you. Okay, after coming to you, you must have some kind of funnel so that you can convert them. Okay, after conversion, you provide the trainings, you provide the marketing about your company product knowledge, and then you train them to build your team, and then sell the products, and then do everything that you want to do. Okay, so what I see is you are facing challenge in marketing. You are not clear who is your target.
Yes, sir. It is possible. And
Okay,
I'm not, I'm feeling that I'm not doing a good marketing about me. I'm not giving just, it should be, yes, sir, you are right, sir. It is about marketing. And how can
maybe
I
you
just,
yeah, maybe you are not getting enough leads, maybe you are not having
yes,
enough conversations
yes, sir.
means you are talking to them, they are calling you, or you are calling them, means you must have enough leads first, the
Yes, sir.
people who are interested in you or your products. Then out of those, you bring out really more interested people. You convert them for your products, or for your service, or for your team. Okay, then you train them, and then you take to the next level. Okay, so figure out what is the exact problem in your marketing. Maybe you can ask this thing to your upline, or maybe upline and upline. right? So you can sit down them and you can describe your problem and say these are the things I'm doing and what is the challenge. Can you let me know what should be my message, what should be my targeting, how many people should I target, how many people with I do the conversation, and what is my monthly target or maybe yearly target. Okay, from yearly target you drive how many people you should talk on the daily basis. Okay, so this way you design your products or services or okay. So anything else you want to discuss here?
Yes, sir. Sir, not much. Sir, this was something just I was feeling, I was facing, and also, and sir, I have a question like just with it is about also with that thing. How can I make myself as a brand? Because my it's hello,
Yes, go ahead.
hello,
Yes,
hello.
go ahead. Yeah, I can hear you.
Yes, sir. I was thinking from such a last time. Just how can I make a brand myself? Because it is permanent. It is compulsory to make a brand because when you make a brand, then you get everything. You get you get those things in this industry what you want to get. So that I was just
Okay.
uh,
Okay, Navneet. So maybe for a week we will discuss on personal
yeah.
branding. Okay,
Mhm.
personal branding we'll discuss, and then you will get to know how can you do that. Okay, for just for overview, I can tell you, you make videos. Okay, make yourself as a speaker. Okay, work on your speaking and also work on your writing thinking so that you know you are able to write, you are able to speak, you are able to convey your message, your mission, your purpose. Okay, also collaborate with other people, maybe go into the some events, okay, networking events, maybe have some medias, okay, maybe some medias in the sense this thing, newspapers, maybe good company or maybe good blog.
Mhm.
Okay, that's how you will build your personal brand. That's how people will start getting to know you.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe you can write a book and become a author so that more people you know know you. So this is how you will build your personal brand. Okay, and then once you build your personal brand, then you can go for your maybe specific product or maybe specific company or maybe specific something, then you can build them. But for that you need to you need to know really in the deep the marketing, okay, and like maybe finance, maybe other things that are required to set up a brand, to make it a brand.
And me and my just Gauravji, I feel that I also believe that our team starts from Gauravji, and I believe that you know very well about him. Then our plan was also same that we will establish ourselves as a brand. Then we can create more, create a big team because that's a perfect way to do these things.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
yeah, you have to create a personal brand. First, people know you,
Yes, sir.
okay, and then once they know you, once they come to your world, they trust you, then they will buy your products or services, and then they will start working with you. If you give them the results, they will definitely be with you.
Yes,
Okay,
sir. Yes, sir.
okay,
Uh,
Navneet.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for this session. And
Okay, yes, sure. Anything else, Heather, you want to ask or?
no, sir. Yeah, it
No,
was
sir.
about writing. Last thing I want to ask that, and you said that you will share this thing after some time in the session. So,
Okay. Yeah, we will definitely share some in the sessions if you have something. Okay.
yeah.
So that is the thing.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.